Get ready for an unforgettable experience. Watch as powerful machines navigate tough obstacles and face jaw-dropping moments of failure. Hold on tight. The world of heavy equipment is about to get intense. A dangerous move, but a well-executed one. Respect to the excavator. The excavator dangerously tilted, but the operator jumped out just in time. Moments later, it tumbled chaotically down the hillside. A train was moving through the mountains when a landslide hit, causing several freight cars to derail. The large excavator tumbled off the truck, but thankfully no one was injured. As the truck neared the curve, the container swayed dangerously. It didn't topple, but it was enough to send chills down everyone's spine. Look, it's so dangerous! The landslide hit this machine, but luckily everything stayed under control. Hold on tight. This crane looks like it's losing its balance and is about to tip over. The truck rolled down the hill, flipping over in a dangerous tumble. That's one wild ride! The tank toppled over. Such a massive machine, losing balance like that is shocking. Hey, recalibrate the distance to the overpass. Every inch counts. One wrong move and the whole machine went down. The driver must have been on edge after that one. Watch as the demolition crew moves in, bringing down the house with precision. The process is quick but intense, turning a once standing structure into rubble in moments. This crane simply couldn't manage the enormous weight of that large module. Fortunately, there were no injuries in this incident. The task failed completely. The situation got out of control quickly, and it was clear that nothing was going according to plan. The truck hits the power line, sparking chaos. It's a dangerous moment, and it's crucial to stay clear. Another crane mishap. This truck crane tips over, reminding us that heavy machinery requires precise handling to prevent accidents. What a dangerous moment! The rush of the truck driver almost caused a serious accident. Lesson learned? Take it slow, folks! Look, he was utterly shocked when his engine caught fire. That rock is huge. This excavator just can't lift it. Looks like we need something much stronger to handle this. It was heartbreaking to witness. The area needed clearing fast so the concrete pump could set up safely. The excavator sank deep into the marsh, its tracks stuck in the muck. As panic set in, the owner reacted with impressive composure and quick thinking. Great job! Wow, the AS950 truck proved its strength by conquering the steep road. The trailer of a semi somehow broke loose and crashed into an overhead road sign. A close call, but luckily no one was hurt. Truly unstoppable. The truck speeds through, spraying mud everywhere. The tractor couldn't handle the heavy pile of wood, struggling to move with its front wheels lifted. With double the power, the work goes a lot smoother. It's definitely a game changer. That truck looks like it just slammed on the brakes. The sudden stop has left it in quite the position. Oh no! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon.